I lucked out when I went to Ulta to buy the Devafuser. I found out they were having a promotion. $30 Diva purchase and you get to try these products for free. My hair had been on the dry struggle bus, so I figured anything was worth a shot.
Okay, so first impressions, the Buildup Buster. I really like the smell. It's very fresh. It's very clean. It makes, you know, it feels clean. So there's that. And then the Deep Sea Repair, I prefer this smell over, let's say, the Decadence. It's another really clean, fresh smell. And then of course I've tried the Melt Into Moisture. This is also a fresh scent, but something about this one is maybe a little more floral or something. What I've noticed is the Melt Into Moisture is a bit thicker than the Deep Sea Repair. I don't know, I guess they're about the same consistency, but I don't know, I mixed them together because I just felt like the Melt Into Moisture might do more. We're gonna put some more in. I like my hair to be highly saturated when I'm about to deep condition. Now it feels good. That slip is insane. And so my only concern is if I'll get the same amount of uses out of these products because they're not quite as thick as, say, like a mask or something like that.
Next up, it's time to deep condition my hair with my portable bonnet. It may look a little silly, but it's a lot less work than a hooded dryer. So far, I'm loving the look. Looks good, feels great, but the shape is a little off. Might be time for a trim. Next up, it's time to dry. I've been looking forward to playing with this thing for weeks. It's pretty straightforward. A lot of tossing, really getting to those roots. Now let's take a look. Toss, toss, toss. Yeah, it's definitely time for a trim. Please know, I am by no means a stylist. I've just been getting diva cuts for 4 years and felt like I was comfortable enough to give it a shot. I also realized that my hair will always grow back. Here, I spray a little conditioner water just to reinvigorate my curls. They went through a lot of manipulation. We're gonna dry it again just to confirm that we've got the right shape. And it looks like we got it. It's a little top heavy on the left side and I may have cut a couple of holes, but I'm afraid to cut anymore. So let's just go with this.
You guys, I'm so excited. I love this product. I'm loving the cut that I did myself. Don't do this at home, but I've been getting diva cuts for 4 years, so I've done a lot of studying. I wouldn't recommend doing this often, but when you just need a cute little, you know, little shape up, if you have the right materials. I have actual shears, and I would never recommend doing this with just regular old paper scissors or anything like that. But I'm pretty proud of myself with this shape, if I do say so myself. Now, let's get into this product. Do you guys see this? Like, look how moisturized it is, how movable it is. DevaCurl has come through once again, and I am kind of obsessed. Okay, let's talk product. Buildup Buster, yes. I love that it feels so clean. It smells so clean. Yeah, I really, really like this smell. Yeah, I love this smell. And it's not that the No Poo doesn't have a very clean smell, but this is just, I don't know, I like it better. Now, as far as the Deep Sea Repair and the Melt Into Moisture, because I use them together, I can't be completely sure which one is more effective, except for the fact that I have used the Melt Into Moisture by itself, and I don't remember having this kind of effect, because this is just... So I might have to recommend using them together to get this kind of result, or I may have to try the Deep Sea Repair by itself one time and see if it's possible to just get what I need from one instead of two. But I'm loving what's happening right now, so might have to do a twofer. And of course, last but not least, tried and true, the Devafuser. So great, so easy, especially because it's winter time. Nobody wants to go outside with wet hair. So this is so great. You can attach it to any hair dryer, which makes it really nice because it's portable. You can take it to a hotel with you or whatever, attach it to any blow dryer, and it's great. It gets up in there and it almost even feels like what are those little massage things? Maybe that's just me. I might be having a little too much fun with the Devafuser, but I love it. So yes, on all accounts, everything I used, I loved. DevaCurl, you did it again. Thank you.